now have discussed about that is machine capacity. So the machine capacity means is defined as the output of machines for a specific method of operations. So every management tries to obtain the much of greater output from the machines. Is possible to utilize the machine fully output from the machine fully. So the operation of cycles it's a various method to be adapted to the machine production capacity to identify the machine capacities. So the operation cycle time to calculated, or otherwise that is a weekly load calculated by the multiplying of cycle time or number of pieces are recorded as per that methods, or otherwise that is the number of machines is recorded for by the calculators. So that is a sample chart to be mentioned is a sample of master programming or a master sample chart to be mentioned to be here. So here there is a order numbers to be mentioned to be here, and that is a product that is we are using for the product. So it's record for that is a week is the first two, and first for example that is a order number 1. It will be taking as a some of the process for the up to that week. It will be completed. The product is up to that is a 6 weeks. So it will be taking is a first 2 weeks for that is a time for the design or delivery of material and tools. That is a delivery of materials and tools. This is a time for designs, and the second that is a 3-4. It will be taking is a 3 weeks. That is a 3, 4, and 5 weeks. That's the next 3 weeks to be taking for the production, and last that is the last 1 week for that is will taking for inspection, either the inspection or packing or delivery. So similarly that is used for that product order number 2. That's a product it will be taking for delivery time for 1 week. It will be and time for design of machines and tools to be taking for 1 week, and the production for it will be taking for 3 weeks, and inspection for that is 1.5 weeks. That is a 3.5 weeks for production and 1.5 week for the inspection, packing, and deliveries. Similarly, there is a mention for that is a program loading chart to be mentioned to be here. So it will be differs for different product, and it will be taking for the preparations. That is based on the preparation, it will be machine capacity to be identified. Then I have discussed about determination of batch size. So what is the batch size means? We have two different type of cost to be associated with the lot manufacturing system. One is the setup cost, another one is the inventory carrying cost to be identified that one thing. So what are the setup cost means? That is a setup cost we have means the batch production involves as a setup cost each time of batch is produced. So the setup cost is roughly that is equivalent to the ordering of cost per orders. So what are the some of the cost setup cost included? The cost releasing that work order or shop orders or stores requesting or tool requesting, etc. Or otherwise that the cost of first of inspection, the cost of rejection till the machine setup is ready for the production to run, and machine setup cost for mounting accessories, tool, jigs and fixtures or other machineries, or otherwise that is a cost of dismantling a setup after the productions of the run. So these are all having that is under the setup cost. Then what are the inventory cost means? That is the costs are occurred by that is inventory cost means that is costs are occurred the finished product from one time to manufacture until the final sold. So the inventory cost included that is a cost of working capital type with the average inventory, or cost of handling and storing the product spots. So insurance charges, and otherwise the taxes, the cost of the spoilages and spoilages. So these are all the inventory carrying cost. We are saying that is the inventory carrying cost. So next we have used for that is the determination for the minimum the cost of batch size. Minimum is the cost variety of cost. So here we have considered for that the production cost consists mainly 4 factors. Mainly 4 factors. One is that is a constant cost for the prices, another is setup cost for batches, and carrying cost, and storage carrying cost. We have said that there are 4 factors to be considered. So that is a cost per prices. That is a cost per prices. means that is included the material cost as a labor cost and overall cost. So that is a cost per unit price. That is a M for stands for the material cost and L stands for labor cost and O stands for overhead cost. So next one is the setup cost for the batches. So it includes that is a cost of drawing or planning, setuping the machines and the equipment etc. we have prepared. So the cost setup we are using for that is a ratio of cost per quantities. That is we have says. Next one is the carrying cost. So that is it is the interest of carrying cost paid to many investment in that item kept in that stock. That is a capital. That is a capital I for carrying cost, and this is for small I into product of constant cost per unit. That is a I stand for carrying cost. It is a small I. Cost carrying cost per unit, interest paid on the money, that is the investment, and the C stand for that is a cost per unit price. So it will be mentioned by the carrying cost, and storage cost means that is a we have says that is a if average storage cost cost per price or B per unit times and the consumption for TC period, that is a period. So that is that cost will be mentioned by the VQ by D. So that is VQ by D. So next one is called as the machine balancing. So that is a machine balancing means that is a machine refers to produce the adjusting that at time at work centers at confirm such much as possible to record cycle times. So otherwise that is a balance process is actual cycle time a stage of equal to stage of equal. So that is a is other words process similarly other process that is a similar job of shops where many product routing are involved. Our goal of balanced process inappropriate. So it will be discussed. That is a balancing. We have type of balancing. We have says that is a balanced process or a unbalanced process. So here the diagram we have says that is a balanced and unbalanced process we have says. So first we have see that it's a balanced process. So the operations time is it is considered for that product undergoes the sequence of operation. Operations. This are 5 machines A, B, C, and D and E. So that is a raw material feed to be here and final product to be here. That is a 5 stages to be completed to be taking. So here that is a operation time for all the stages with the uniform time for 1 minute. So this is known as a placed production time. That is called as a placed production time. That is called as a placed production time. So in this case, a cycle time will be 1 minute. So at this time, interval of time also having 1 minute. So one unit of product will be produced. Since the actual time of at every stage are equal, so therefore that the process is known as a balanced process. This is called as a balanced process. So it will be get as a perfect matching of stages for each sequence. So next one is called as a unbalanced process. Similarly, having a different 5 different operations to be considered. So that is a raw material to finished product 5 different times. So here also having a different times also to be mentioned. So in the actual practice, this operation time will not be same at all the stages. So instead of it will be vary the length across the line. Some machinery taking as a higher times and some machineries taking as a lower time. Consider here that is a source that is known as the unbalanced production line. This is called as a unbalanced production lines. It may be seen that is operation time for vary across the stages. Here that stage is required for 1.1 minutes and stage required for that is a stage required for 0.3 and third stage means 0.1 minutes and 0.5 and the last stage is required for 0.2 minutes. So that is it will be taking as a different process. So here that is a we are using as a 3 different times. That is a different time. This is called as a unbalanced process. This is called as a unbalanced